Hi, I'm Sean Weaver with Pantheon Sales and Rental, and going to talk about the 32 World Series ScanMaskin machine, about the benefits of the machine, and also how to run it. This machine has been completely redesigned by ScanMaskin, and a lot of engineering and a lot of good things have been put into this. Number one, it's a big machine. It's 32 inches, still go through standard doors here in the United States. It's 32 inches, it's heavy, and you can actually put more head pressure with these back wheels. You can kick them out and add another 200 pounds of head pressure on the machine. Has a beautiful wheel kit for easy transportation, loading it in and out of trailers. I got the wheel kit up there right now, down. You can move it around real easily. It's hydraulic with a lift here. Really, really easy to run the machine or move it around. It's comes in 480 or 208. This is our 208 volt, runs on 50 amp, and it's paired with the, you could pair it with, a T7500 or the ScanMaskin 9000. You need a big vac because this thing will cut. It'll run 9 or 18 diamonds, which is really neat because you can actually put more diamonds on there and you actually can increase your production. This machine is fast, especially on the grinding. You put 9 diamonds on this thing, it'll annihilate coatings, underlayments. If you want to get down to big rock, this machine will do it. There's a lot of great machines out there, but for the weight and how big this is, it's very, very impressive. Normal stuff, variable, has a nice water tank on it, which is huge. A lot of guys have gotten away from water tank. Has a really nice water tank. Has a little screen in it where stuff doesn't get into your water tank. Variable speed, normal stuff, up in variable speed, directional left and right, pretty standard stuff there. To lift this back, it has like a little wheel kick in the back. You can't really see it, I'll turn it around. If you're going to want to lift this machine back, you just kick this down, tilt it back. It's real easy to get the machine back. Like I said, very well thought out machine. And if you are going to want to increase the head pressure, you do it with these wheels. There's 2 little tabs in the back. You pull that bar out, and it'll kick those wheels out, driving 200 pounds more of a head pressure on that. And really, more pressure, the better, especially in your metal grits. It grinds faster. I mean, it's amazing. So sometimes you can set a starting with a maybe a 68 or a 3040. You can start with a 6080 because the machine is so heavy and it grinds so efficiently. All right, so that's the kind of the benefits of the machine and a great price point. So now I'm going to talk about how to run this machine. All right, so it's a big machine, but it maneuvers real easy. It looks intimidating to people who haven't ran it. It really isn't. If you can get this machine in a room, you want to run this machine, okay? If it's 1,000 square feet, I'm running this machine. If I can get it through a door, I'm running this machine because it's going to speed up my production, all right? So to get the machine ready, and you got to transport it to the job, you want to get this wheel kit up. So pretty simple. There's a little valve right there. You let the machine go down, and then you're going to go ahead and put it up like so. Loosen it a little bit more. And pull it up. Lock it in here. I'm going to go ahead and pull this pin out. And what's nice about this wheel kit is when you put it like this, it'll actually go inside the base here, so you can touch the wall with your skirt. It goes inside the skirt and not damage the wall. It doesn't have a wheel kit. I've seen some grinders or some manufacturers put their wheel kit out so you get near the wall and it's gouging the wall and stuff like that. This won't do that. It's actually inside the skirt, so it saves you from damaging drywall, okay? So, like any grinder, you gotta lift it back to change your diamonds. So you take this wheel kit here, or this wheel lift here, and you just kind of lean the machine back. A little bit because my counter's in the way. Yeah, there we go. So lift it back. This is where you run your diamonds. Like I was saying earlier, you can run 9 or 18 diamonds on this machine. If you want to get really aggressive on your metals, run 9, but this machine loves 18 diamonds. It's so heavy, especially in the resins, and you're pushing fast. It really almost doubles your production. So in here, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So was it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Okay, I got 6. So you can run 18 diamonds on this thing, and they take the World Series, slide them in, wonderful diamonds. They're made in South Korea, and they're quality diamonds. You get a consistent cut with those. So that's how you do that. You put your diamonds in, put the machine down, like so. Use that little kickstand here to help lower it. And then there's a couple to move the handle here. Just squeeze it, pop it into place. This is how you want to run the machine. Obviously not with the handle up, handle down. And when you're running metals, I mean, you're going to be in that 5 to 6 range, but every floor is different. So when you're running the machine, look at your floor. Are you creating dust? Is it, you know, if you don't have any dust, is the diamonds glazing? I mean, you can glaze the diamonds by running it too fast. So maybe you have to lower, you know, go to a softer bond diamond. So if your diamonds are glazing, let's say you're running a medium bond, you would want to run a soft bond. So in the World Series diamonds, they run extra soft, soft, medium, and hard. So they got 4. Typically in Colorado or in the Rocky Mountain region, New Mexico, or even California, those regions, you know, soft is the good starting point. Yeah, you may burn a little bit more diamonds, but the production is going to be so much better, and labor is your #1 expense. So don't get so stuck on diamond pricing. You got to be thinking about your labor, or if you're even working for yourself, can you get off that job faster and go to the next one, put money in your pocket. So when you get into ceramics, we run the boride ceramics by far. You can run those wet or dry. By far, those are some of the best diamonds, USA made. They're quality, consistent. They're ISO certified. The only US diamond manufacturer ISO certified. They'll have a stamp on the back. Amazing. Those things cut. So you can go from a metal to the ceramic, get those scratches out efficiently, and then go to your resin, have a quality floor every time. But you're going to be running those a little bit faster than the metals. You're going to be getting in probably that 7, 8 range, and probably going to be keeping that there for your resins, maybe a little bit faster. Again, the floor will tell you what's going on. If you ever have a ceramic and it's actually starting to fall apart on you, then you're running it way too fast. You're building up too much heat. So that's how you run this machine. It's very simplistic. Like I said, with any metal grits, especially when you're polishing, I highly recommend that you cross your first grit. So you go this way, let's say with the 30-40s, and then you do the same grit with the 30-40s, you're going to attack it perpendicular. I always recommend doing that for your first 2 grits. So if it's a 30-40, 60-80, you cross those. If it's a 60-80, 100 ceramic, cross that. After that, you can go up and back. You know, just push it like a lawnmower up and back. You don't have to cross it. Very important to cross those first 2 grits. You just get a much better floor if you're polishing. If you're putting a coating, who cares, right? So again, World Series machine, very heavy, very productive. Wheel kit to maneuver it. You let it down here. You jack it up from this jack. If you want to lift it back, put the handle up, click, use this kickstand, lift it back to change your diamonds. This machine here from Pantheon Sales and Rental runs on 208. Do not hook it up to a 480 or you'll blow the inverter, which is very expensive. So, and if there's any questions, give us a call. Appreciate it. Thanks.